Now we'll talk about macroeconomic equilibrium, and it's all about aggregate expenditure and the GDP. So when spending is high in the economy, firms will see a decline in their inventories because people are buying more, they're spending more on goods. And that will lead to manufacturers having to produce more goods. And when we see this increase in aggregate expenditure, it actually results in the aggregate expenditure being greater than the GDP. And when that's the case, total employment will actually rise and also the GDP. But what happens when the GDP is actually higher than the aggregate expenditure? Then we see total employment decreasing and the GDP decrease as well, because that means that people are spending less, inventories are not decreasing, and so we end up in a recession. But what happens when they're equal to each other? Then there is no change in GDP or total employment. Firms do not need to change, and they will continue in this macroeconomic equilibrium. And this is known as the macroeconomic equilibrium, when GDP and aggregate expenditure are equivalent to each other. Thank you.